Hello everyone. In this video we'll talk about the facility planning, and we will go further to facility planning in the hotel and hospitality industry, which is related to as a hotelier beginner. Okay, so that first we understood in this video that we will understand this video that facility planning is all about it, and what is that meaning. So facility planning or strategic facility planning requires that every decision made in business, okay, whatever we decision making for our organization and doing the planning has a greater impact on the organization. Real estate means what organization have a layout or the location, or what we can say the land we have. Okay, the facility is critical components of organization. Okay, facility means what kind of comfort and convenience you are providing to your consumer. Okay, the organization strategic facility planning seems they are outcome of business decision and making process. Means there are the first, the facility planning would take a decision and trying to make in process. Okay, that is going to long term impact and support the achievement of the organization goal. Okay, so facility planning facilitates the organization strategy by optimizing the facility, means the comfort and convenience to satisfy between the organization product service and those who take care of, yeah, we can say the using the facilities. Okay, the facility planning has facility managed to do a flexible implement structure facility planning based on the specific consideration what we should do in that. So whenever we talk about the facility into improving the location convenient and the comfort and the ambience, okay, to satisfy the consumer and the user, so they will keep coming and try to give the revenue to the organization. So basically facility to try to understand first. Okay, so what we can understand the mean, but recognize the need and the problem. Okay, what we require to need to do to improve our organization, and try to identify the problem. If something is happening or something is lacking in our organization, we should recognize, and whatever need to understanding needs means whatever we do to facilitate them. Okay, whatever we require the stuff, so we should understand what kind of stuff we require to have to satisfy our consumer. Okay, through our facility. So understanding is all about the recognize of the need and problem. Second, if the point come after the, when you understand this, the next point come to analyzing them. Analyzing this, is it required, is it necessary. Okay, because it's not just one point, because we have to be go with your operational cost, with the staff cost, overhead cost. So keep spending on one point, it can't be give the revenue, right? So analyzing them to improve their, how to we can improve in the low cost with the low maintenance cost. Low maintenance cost, if you putting the high charge maintenance equipment, so they will be again give the high cost, which is impact on your total managerial economics. Okay, so after the analyzing, okay, choose the right decision, do the planning. Third step, the planning means how to will do the workout the thing, and how in the what time frame, and how to will deal with it. After the planning, the fourth point is acting, or we can say the implementation of the planning. So that's how the facility planning is. Okay, the facility planning is all about the creating the any kind of outlet in the smoother way, the flow of work. Okay, in the both way, it's not just about the consumer way, as we say earlier, that to try to satisfy them, but when we do in the back work in the back office also, so you should keep thinking about how to we smoothly work, and using the maximum uses of the location or the building or other area. That is all about the facility planning. Okay, if we talk about the in the facility planning, we continue with the designing the store, the kitchen layout. Okay, the hotel design, the car parking, everything it is included in the hotelier points, that how to be doing the facility planning. Facility planning is that about okay. It can include the total hotel design, okay. It could be a hotel room, okay. So that is all about the facility planning. In the next video we'll continue with facility planning. Thank you.